Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best spice kit is probably one of the most underrated kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oil dipping spice kits, exploring how they can transform your meals. These kits are a fantastic way to elevate your culinary game, perfect for dipping fresh bread, veggies, or even grilled meats. Get ready to discover a symphony of flavors and find out if this kit is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Dean Jacobs Italian Bread Seasoning with Grinder. Are you looking for a way to spice up your bread? This seasoning is perfect for you. It's packed with fresh herbs and garlic powder. This seasoning isn't just for bread, it's a great addition to pasta and salads. You can even enjoy it with some crusty French bread, just like in a fancy restaurant. Forget chopping herbs. This seasoning comes with a grinder, so you can twist, grind, and enjoy instant Italian flavor. It's quick and easy. Dean Jacobs takes pride in sourcing the best ingredients. This gourmet seasoning is made with a variety of high-quality spices, ensuring a rich flavor and aroma. A gourmet seasoning for bread is now within your reach. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the Add to Cart button and enjoy. What we like. This seasoning features a built-in grinder, making it incredibly convenient. It's packed with flavor and aroma, enhancing not just bread but also pasta and salads. If you're looking for an easy way to elevate your meals with fresh, Italian-inspired flavors, this is a great choice. What people say. Best seasoning: put it in olive oil for dipping, add it to salad, sprinkle on vegetables like baked potatoes or on top of avocado toast. Yum! Love the grinder and cap. Keeps the seasoning fresh. I have tried many bread dipping seasoning options and this is by far the best tasting. Love it for my olive oil dip. Works well and tastes good on salads, dipping oils. Could be more flavorful, add more than less to your recipes and salads. Number 4. Calivirgin Gourmet Olive Oil Dipping Spices. Introducing Calivirgin Olive Oil Dipping Spices. This unique mix combines 5 gourmet flavors: basil, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, parsley, and oregano. It's an irresistible blend for your bread. The careful, natural treatment of the ingredients retains the full range of flavors. This maximizes the invigorating aromas, making it a delightful experience. The coarse texture makes it perfect for a multi-purpose bread dip and cooking staple. It's all natural and minimally processed, ensuring the best quality. Combine this with your favorite Calivirgin olive oil. You can create a premium, gourmet olive oil dip. It's a simple way to elevate your meal. Use it as a seasoning for meats, a topping for baked potatoes, or a garnish for pasta. Unlocking new flavors is easy. Just add it to your cart and order today. What we like. This product combines 5 gourmet flavors for a unique and delicious experience. The careful treatment of ingredients retains a full range of flavors and maximizes aromas. If you like a versatile spice mix that can be used for dipping, cooking, and more, you'll love it. What people say. The blend of herbs and spices adds a burst of flavor to any dish, especially when paired with quality olive oil. Follow the directions, mix with a little bit of hot water first and the spices grow, then add to oil. The flavor is fantastic, truly restaurant quality. This olive oil dipping spice mix is delicious and beautifully blended. The mix of sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, basil, and oregano creates a restaurant quality flavor that instantly elevates a simple loaf of bread. Number 3. Dean Jacobs Bread Dipping Collection, set of 4 tins. This is the Dean Jacobs Bread Dipping Collection, a set of 4 tins. It's perfect for dipping bread and adding flavor to your meals. This collection is a must-have for any food lover. The set includes 4 unique flavors: Sicilian, Parmesan, Tuscany, and Rosa Maria. Each tin is filled with carefully selected seasonings. They are designed to elevate your bread dipping experience. These seasonings pair perfectly with Dean Jacobs cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. The combination creates a delicious and satisfying snack or appetizer. You'll love the way these flavors complement each other. The seasonings are packed in sealed cellophane pouches inside the tins. The tins are then shrink-wrapped to ensure freshness. This packaging keeps the product fresh and ready to use. Please note that bread dipping saucers are sold separately. You can find them to complete your bread dipping experience. Get ready to enjoy a delightful culinary journey with this collection. What we like. This collection offers a variety of flavors to suit different tastes. It's designed to pair perfectly with olive oil, enhancing the bread dipping experience. If you enjoy exploring different flavor profiles and want a complete bread dipping experience, consider this set. What people say. I use these not just for dipping, but also for cooking. Perfect combination of herbs and spices. Tuscan is our favorite. Love the different flavors that you can add to your cooking or to your oil dipping, which I love. The variety is great, recommend highly. Our family loves all of these. I make homemade bread and serve it with olive oil and these seasonings. Our favorite. Number 2. Dean Jacobs Bread Dipping for 2 boxed set. This boxed set is perfect for sharing. It includes everything you need for a delightful bread dipping experience. It's a great way to enjoy some delicious flavors. The set comes with 2 beautiful melamine dipping dishes. They feature an elegant olive branch design. These dishes are perfect for serving the olive oil and seasonings. Included is 8.5 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. Sourced from Italy, Greece, and Spain, this high-quality oil adds a rich flavor. It's imported directly from Italy. You'll also receive a 4-in-1 jar with a selection of seasonings. Each jar contains 4 unique blends. They are perfect to enhance the flavor of the oil and bread. The seasoning blends include traditional Sicilian, Rosa Maria, Tuscany, and Parmesan. Each blend offers a unique flavor profile. They are designed to complement the olive oil. This set is ideal for a romantic dinner or a casual gathering. It's a simple yet elegant way to elevate any meal. It makes a great gift too. What we like. This boxed set is perfect for a cozy meal for 2. It includes dipping dishes and high-quality olive oil. If you are looking for a ready-to-go bread dipping experience or a thoughtful gift for a couple, this set is ideal. What people say. Beautiful set, taste is stellar, and size of oil and spices is perfect. Fine tasting dipping oil and accessories. It's quite a hit for my hosted events and to take as a contribution to another's event. My husband and I enjoy this with wine and artisan bread. Number 1. Calivirgin Olive Oil and Spice Gift Set. Introducing the Calivirgin Olive Oil and Spice Gift Set, a match made in culinary heaven. This set brings together premium unfiltered olive oil and gourmet spice mix, perfect for dipping bread. It's a complete set for an amazing experience. The set features Calivirgin's premium unfiltered olive oil. Cold pressed from organically grown olives in California, it's perfect for dipping. It's mild enough to be used as a staple in your kitchen. The spice blend combines 5 gourmet flavors: basil, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, parsley, and oregano. This unique mix creates an irresistible and delicious bread dipping experience. It will elevate your taste buds. The olive oil is milled on the Calivirgin Olive Ranch in Lodi, California. The spice blend is made with a family recipe, using locally sourced, fresh ingredients. They put a lot of love into this product. This olive oil and spices gift set comes in a beautiful gift box, ideal for any special occasion. Whether it's a holiday or a simple gathering, it's a perfect gift. Order yours today. What we like. This set provides a complete bread dipping experience with premium olive oil and a gourmet spice mix. It's beautifully packaged, making it perfect for gifting. If you want a ready-to-give gift for any occasion, this set is a great choice. What people say. Great product for the bread maker in your life. I gave this gift to my dad on his birthday since he likes making bread from scratch, not a bread maker oven. He loved it was quick to bake a batch and share the dipping oil and spices with friends. The production and flavor of the oil balsamic themselves are stellar. They've also paid great attention to the packaging. The bottles are very heavy, opaque glass, which means they'll A, be less sensitive to temperature and B, get zero light exposure, the 2 most damaging storage problems for good olive oil. And gift-wise, it hardly needs wrapping paper. The box is weighty and well-made, and very sophisticated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.